You ever had that moment where you've done something and then you send it to the customer and they instantly say, "Oh no, that's not at all what I wanted." Then you realize, "Oh, I messed up." Well, that happened to me just recently, and it sucks because it's more work on my part to fix the infraction per se. But on this barbecue pit that's behind me, the stack isn't at all how the customer wanted it, and I misunderstood him apparently. And so this piece here has to come off, and it's gonna take some grinding, lots of grinding to get it off, but we'll get it off in one piece. I can use it on another project or another barbecue pit, and we're gonna get some footage of how exactly I'm gonna do this. So I might do it a couple different ways. I might get the plasma cutter, knock some of the weld off, and then go grab some grinding discs and grind the rest of it down. Side should just pop off. This piece right here is going to come with it. But as far as it's my fault. I didn't have to cut. I mean, I remember talking to him about it, but I don't remember exactly what we had discussed. And I had thought this is what we had discussed. So when I sent him the pictures and he said that's not what I wanted, I was like, okay, well, I fucked up. I'm not going to try to, beat around the bush and say, well, no, this is what you asked me for, because people make mistakes. You just got to fucking deal with it. I mean, if you're trying to start a business, kind of like I'm doing now, if you're trying to start a business and you fuck up, you're the business owner, you better take full fucking responsibility, because that person's going to tell more people that you fucked up and didn't fix it, or didn't even try to fix it, than if you just say, fuck you, go move on down the road, find someone else. I'm not about that. I want my customers to be happy, so I'm going to fix the mistake I have done for him. And end the story. We'll both move on from it. All the welds cut off, and I'm going to try to hit it with the hammer and see if I can break the rest of the loop. There's one spot I need to grind. Car's out. So I'm gonna hit it with the hammer. There's one spot I need to grind, and then it'll probably just come right off, I hope. done. Because right here's the piece we're replacing it with. Right here. Fresh, clean, start from scratch.